Here you meet Sandra with Emily, ready to prepare the ultrasonic sensor. We are starting by connecting our GND of the embedded board with the GND of the Arduino. Then we'll connect our 5 volts with the IRF pin from the Arduino board. We take our ultrasonic sensor and connect the VCC with 5 volts, the echo pin with pin 12, and trig with pin 13. Then we take our GND, we connect the GND of the Arduino. We take our USB cable and connect the Arduino board. We write #include less ultrasonic.h greater. We declare our ultrasonic and give it a name. Then we include the pins that we have connected with the ultrasonic, that is echo and trig. We go to the void setup, write serial so that we include it in our serial monitor. Go to the void loop. We write the intravenal, then we write the distance, the equal sign, and the name that you give to ultrasonic dot read. Then we include our brackets. We are going to write the serial dot print ln so that we include in our serial monitor and it appear in a line. Then our distance, what we are going to see in the serial monitor is the distance. Then we include the delay. After that, you are going to give the conditions, that is into brackets distance is less than 15. The LED is going to light, but if the distance is greater than 15, the LED will not light. We are going to write the digital write into bracket 8 high or else digital write into brackets low. We are going to upload. The next thing is to upload. We save it as ultrasonic sensor. The next thing is to compile. Our codings. Then we upload. We are going to go to our serial monitor to check if it is working. You can see the distance is varying. And when the distance is less than 15, the LED lights. But when it is greater than 15, the LED does not light. Thank you.